Hey, Scott with GoMeOG Drones. Today we're going to get into an unboxing of the FLIR One Edge Pro that came with the SDI UAS 234 course, and we're going to have some bonus material. Let's get started. All right, here we are with the FLIR One Edge Pro, and we are going to open this up and see what this is all about, and then we will talk about what we're going to do with it. Now, it comes in the box, just sitting in here, and at first glance, it has a rubberized covering. It feels sturdy, and it has a spring capture clamp on it, I'm assuming for the phone, that you can clip it onto. And then what I'm going to do is attach this to my DJI Air 3S and see how far away we can get with it and see if we can't use it on the drone. And I know this is handheld, close quarters, but yeah, why not? Let's give it a try. Okay, as promised, the bonus material. And what I've done is I've taken the FLIR handheld camera, attached it to my Air 3S, and we're gonna go out and connect the FLIR to the phone, to its app, and take it up and fly over my roof to see if I can get any usable data. Now I know that this is a handheld FLIR. It has a maximum distance based on its capabilities, and inspecting roofs, I'm sure, is not one of them, at least at any height or any distance away. But hey, you know what? I got a drone, I got a FLIR, let's give it a shot. Okay, here we are. We are gonna try to fly the FLIR attached to the drone and see if we can't maintain a connection and get any kind of readable data. Okay, it can handle the weight of the FLIR, so that's good. Now we just need to get up high enough to get a reading. Let's get in position. All right, we're going to take a reading right there. Sun side and dark side. Okay, looking good. Looks like it's proof of concept. We maintained connection, and we have also gotten some kind of reading. We'll take a look at that in more detail as soon as we land. And even with the sensors blocked on the drone, vision accuracy is off, but it still let's get this under the pad. I want to hurt that FLIR. Whoa, 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 that's a problem. Okay, that is a no-go. That's a problem. Wow. Okay, the FLIR, it don't like the FLIR on there. Okay, the blades got tore up, and just some minor scratches. It looks like everything else is okay. So the takeaway from this, I would have to say, is don't attach a handheld FLIR to your drone, because it don't work when you want to land, for sure. And I won't be doing that again. I think I dodged a bullet with not damaging the drone, but I'm gonna even just start it up. Okay, so far so good. And they turned off. Okay, great. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching.